How to double your money. How can you make big returns through the stock market? Are you the type of person who goes after so many ads and suggestions? Then this video is for you. Let's start.
Want to become a millionaire as soon as possible? Many people think that they need to make money very quickly. That is why fraudsters easily trap them. You can double your money within a month. There are many scams around us saying that they can make you 1% return daily. These are just a few examples. The potential for these types of scams is endless. This is where you need to use your financial knowledge and logic. First of all, you should think whether the return they say is practically possible. If you want to grow your money, first understand that it's not something that happens overnight. It takes time. Understand investments and move things forward with discipline. Don't fall for such scams and move forward by approaching things intelligently. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.